Hi friends, how are you all? Welcome to our channel. I hope you are all fine and doing well. In today's video, we are diving into the world of style and luxury as we explore the different types of leather outfits that are sure to elevate your wardrobe. From classic elegance to bold statement, we have got it all covered. So dear friends, are you ready to discover the perfect leather dresses that suits your personality and boost your confidence level? First of all, we have chic leather, stylish and pretty outfits and dresses for men. All of these designs are so beautiful, stylish and trendy. So friends, I must suggest you watch this video till the end. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. After clicking the bell icon, you will get the notification of all my videos. And you will never miss my videos and any collection of my channel. Are you ready to discover the perfect leather dresses so you can easily buy these outfits from Amazon.com, etsy.com and AliExpress.com? All these websites are very famous and you can buy all the latest variety of fashion. I always try to show you stylish and latest designs of fashion through my videos. So take good care of yourself. Keep watching, keep visiting my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you soon with new design.